Today we're going to work on reviewing the colors that we learned from our common assessment. So you will get a paper like this. And the first thing I want you to do is cut along the bottom of this rectangle where it says cool colors, and you're just going to go all the way across. We're going to save these shapes for tomorrow, so those can go in your portfolios, and we're going to work on our colors today. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut out your squares. So you want to carefully follow the line. You can overcut like this to make it easier for you to turn the corner. And then you can also change which direction you are cutting. So now I have one of those cuts. I'm going to finish the other two right now. Now that I have all my words cut out, I can recycle my scraps, and then I'm going to turn my learning log to the next empty page. So you should have your welcome to kindergarten on the first page. If you did not have time to draw your family, you want to leave this page blank, and then we're going to go to the next empty page. We don't want to just pick whatever page in our learning logs. We want to try to keep it in order. So we're going to the next empty page. And the first thing we're going to do is glue down our words. So this first one, the primary colors, I'm going to glue down on the very top line. And we're going to use glue sticks for this. So you might have to peel it up. It doesn't have to be up tall, just a little bit above that is fine. And one of the ways that I saw lots of friends doing this, which was pretty nice, is you take your finger or you put the paper on top of the glue stick, and then you slide it across. That way you don't have to worry about getting glue on parts of the notebook that you aren't going to use. Then I lay it down and hold it. Then I want to do warm colors next, and I'm going to leave about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll leave 6 empty spaces. And then I'll put my warm colors down. Again, I'm just pressing the paper across the glue stick while holding the glue stick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is where I'll put my next one, warm colors. And then my last one is cool colors. It's important that you leave a space between there because we're going to color those colors next. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there we go. So I have primary colors, warm colors, and cool colors. Now it is my job to color those colors underneath the word. So the primary colors are your first colors. We're going to use stencils for this, and you can pick any shape that you want from this stencil as long as it fits in there. This really big hexagon fits in there. So I'm going to use that one. And then I need to find the colors that are primary colors. I need to have a red, and I can trace around. And then take this off and color it like this. Or I could leave my stencil on there, and that will help me stay in the lines when I color. So I keep thinking about my 3-star coloring, making all the white go away, trying to use the same pressure, but the staying in the lines part will happen if I don't move my stencil. And then I can move this over. My next color I need is yellow. So again, and then coloring that shape in. And finally, I need blue for our primary colors. Here we go. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my warm colors, only I'm going to use a different stencil.